For over 32 years, Rockwood has grown to become a name synonymous with camping and the great outdoors. Let's see how easy it is to set up your new Rockwood camping trailer. Setup begins with cranking the dolly jack to level the camper. Next, set the stabilizer jacks on all four corners of the camper. Simply crank down each jack to stabilize the camper. After all stabilizers are set, release the four latches that hold the roof secure. If you plan to utilize the awning, unzip and roll out the awning at this point. Next, unfold the side support rails on each end and insert the end with the black O-ring into the black nylon loop just below the awning on each side. Extend both rails until the fabric is taut and lock the rail into place. Keep in mind that although the awning can be set up by one person, it is easier with two. Unfold the awning arm on each end, place the metal foot on the ground, and extend each post vertically. We will complete the awning setup after the roof is in place. Before operating the Rockwood electric lifter system, be sure that the battery is properly connected to the power unit. Once the roof latches are released, simply push the lever on the power winch to the up position to raise the roof. Keep an eye on the extender cable for indication that the roof is fully raised. To lower the roof, push the lever on the power winch to the down position. If necessary, the power winch is equipped with a manual override feature. To access the mount for the crank handle, remove the round plastic cap on the motor. Then insert the supplied jack handle and crank the handle to raise and lower the roof. The guide wire will tell you when the roof is extended to full height. You can see Rockwood uses wider lifter posts. These posts are twice the size of many competitors and will add more support and stability to the roof. Set the safety supports on the opposing corner lifter arms. If you unroll the awning prior to lifting the roof, you should now complete the awning setup. Place the awning legs into the clips on the side of the camper. Unlatch the support arms and fully extend the awning until it locks into place. During periods of high precipitation, adjust the awning pitch to allow water to run off. It is recommended during heavy winds that the awning be closed. Now, remove the bunk supports from under the mattress. Install the poles by inserting the clip into the bracket at the top of the tent camper wall and into the bracket on the tent camper frame. Then, slide the bunk end out until it is fully extended. Rockwood permanently attaches their tent material to the bunk end to ensure dry bedding during setup and takedown in the event of rain. It also provides extra safety if someone were to lean against it from the inside. Adjust the side bunk tent assembly by securing the fitted corners and extending the tent sides below the bunk, attaching the tent to the Velcro along the length of the bunk. Notice the storm flaps Rockwood uses on the tent material. This feature allows water to run off the tent as opposed to collecting on the extrusion or rolling around onto the wood of the bed ends. A shock cord is also added for safety. Next, Velcro the lifter post cover in place for added protection against the elements and insects. Now, repeat the bunk end setup procedure on the other bunk end. Rain or shine, you will feel secure knowing that Rockwood uses the strongest, most water-resistant tent in the industry. Vinylon is a 5-piece sectionalized tent with down-facing interlock seams and double-stitched at all tension points. See your owner's manual for more information on how easy it is to clean and maintain your tent for years and years of enjoyment. The remaining setup procedures are done from inside the camper. Once inside the camper, begin by zipping the tent corners. The 5-piece tent assembly makes it easy to repair or replace a panel should the need ever arise. If your Rockwood high wall series is equipped with a hard wall shower, some additional setup is required. Lift the top shower wall section up and slide into place. Lock the safety latch. Next, lift the bottom shower wall section up and slide out into place. Lock the safety latch. Install the interior shower curtain and exterior privacy curtain. To complete the setup, install the shower door by inserting the bottom lip into the locking brackets and the top tabs into the locks. The black water dump valve is located on the off door side for waste removal. The gray water dump valve is located in relation to the kitchen location. Next, install the faucet stored inside the sink by screwing into place on the top of the sink. Remove the faucet and store it back inside the sink when tearing down. Also, remember that the main power switch must be in the off position before the camper is closed. Most Rockwood models feature the fantastic vent. This 12-volt, 3-speed fan is quiet, dissipates condensation, and exchanges the air in your tent camper, allowing you to breathe natural ambient outside air. Setting the screen door on a Rockwood is a snap. Most Rockwood tent campers utilize a one-piece door that requires no assembly and sets easily into place. Before installing the door, you should first remove the travel door by lifting the door to release the hinge pins. Then, stow the door beneath the rear bunk and secure it with the attached shock cord. Be sure to reinstall this door before attempting to slide in the bunk during teardown. Simply push the door up and release the snaps on the side of the door. Allow the guide wires to support the door. Next, twist the retainer clip at the bottom of the door to release it from the travel position. Position yourself in the middle of the door. Lift it out of the travel position and guide the door outside the opening, setting it onto the threshold. Twist the 6 retainer clips to hold the door secure. Then, attach the tenting to both sides of the door with the Velcro strips. Next, put the overhead support pole into the bed bow and push into place. Notice that all supports are powder-coated and won't leave unsightly marks on the interior tenting. Now, adjust the length of the pole until the bunk material is stretched tight. Set the other bunk end pole into place, zip the last 2 corners of the tent, and you're ready to go camping. To set up Rockwood's Easy Glide Slide-Out Dinette, release the slide room by unscrewing the threaded locks. Take hold of the handle and pull out the slide room. Attach the cotter pins to the steel pins extruding from the sidewall at the seal. Similar to the bed ends, Rockwood attaches the tent material to the slide-out, so simply attach the Velcro strips to both sides of the slide-out. From the inside, attach the rafter pole to the tent bow and stretch the tent into position. Insert the end of the rafter pole in the metal clip and adjust the tension. When closing up the dinette, be sure to pull out the tent fabric and check to make sure there is a clear path before sliding in the bed ends. In most models, Rockwood uses a freestanding table so it can be utilized both inside and outside the camper. Simply unfold the table legs and lock into place. Your Rockwood has been equipped with standard heated mattresses that generate a warm, gentle, soothing heat for those chilly nights. Simply plug in the power cord and controller provided into the outlet sewn into the side of the mattresses and plug into a 110-volt outlet located on the walls near the bed ends. Since the appliances in your Rockwood camper may vary according to floor plans and options, we suggest that you consult your dealer or owner's manual included with your camper for operating and maintenance information. Returning outside the camper, remove the grill from the box and assemble according to the manufacturer's instructions. Begin by installing the grill base onto the mounting bracket located on the side of the tent camper. Place the grill on the base and attach the LP gas line provided from the opening on the side of the camper to the grill. Don't forget to remove the grill before closing up your camper. At this point, your Rockwood tent camper is ready to use. Rockwood has combined Amish craftsmanship and over 32 years of experience to build you a camper of exceptional quality and value. Thank you for choosing Rockwood.